All right, y'all, it's been since 2014 or 15 that we've seen this sneaker, and every single time that it's been retro, it's been an absolute banger and sell out. I'm gonna say it's gonna be nothing different for tomorrow. Today we're gonna be unboxing and looking at the upcoming Air Jordan 11 Low in the BRED or black and red colorway. Let's talk about it. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, we do have these things on feet, and yes, this pair is worn. As you guys can see, this is the 2014 or 2015. I can't remember exactly when they retro, but this is that pair, and they have a lot of wear and tear on them. But nonetheless, it's gonna show you guys kind of an idea. I'm gonna talk about sizing and stuff like that when it comes to this year's 2025 release. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. We are around 300 or so before we hit 30K, so we're almost there. So y'all keep liking, keep subscribing, keep doing all those great things. Now, when we talk about the Jordan 11 model, it's a model that everybody like, right? It's one of those sneakers that if you can get your hands on, you're gonna try to grab them anyway. And if you can't grab this sneaker right here, if you can't grab this one, of course, this right here is a great secondary option. So, you know what I'm saying? And then some people like to wear the lows for the summertime instead of rocking the highs. Either way it go, today we're going to be talking about this one, and we're going to talk about what to expect if you're thinking about copping this sneaker. So, as you guys can see, it is predominantly the same thing as the highs. The only difference is it's going to be a low cut. And I'm not a huge fan of the low cut model just because for a couple of particular things, and I'll show you guys here in a second. But we do have the black patent leather across the side of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here. It is extremely low cut. It's not your high cut that some people prefer when we're talking about Jordan 11s and stuff like that. I mean, it's a low, so you really can't put too much patent leather on it. We got the mesh upper right here. We have the white outsole with the translucent red bottom, as you guys can see right there. On the back end of the sneaker, I wish they would do things differently when it comes to this. But we do have the 23 on the back. And then we have that mini-me Jumpman. I hate that Jumpman. Like, that is one of the biggest things that turn me off about this sneaker. I just kind of wish they wouldn't even put anything back there but the 23, maybe raise the patent leather up. I just feel like the Jumpman is not a necessity. It kind of throws off the sneaker. Red bottom with the black pods and stuff like that. On the inside of the shoe, you do have the carbon fiber plate right there on the inside of it. Patent leather on the inside looks exactly the same thing. Red sock liner, as you guys can see right here on them. And then you got the black mesh tongue, as you guys can see, with the strap across the front, as always, like your standard 11. So super clean. It's really the high form in a low form. So what you see is what you get. Again, like I said, always an instant sellout. The 2013 pair came in this box. And then this year's pair is going to be coming in a box like this, just to let you know. So the boxes will be a little bit different. But when it comes to sizing, if you're going to cop these things, I'm going to say go true to size. For some of the Jordan 11s, the newer models that we've been getting the past couple of years, I've been really going a half a size up. But on the lows, I think you'll be fine. If you go true to size, I think you'll be fine when it comes to that. Comfortability, Jordan 11s are about the same. You know what I'm saying? They're okay. They're not the most comfortable, but they're not uncomfortable. So I'm going to say a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. I'll be nice. I'll say a 7 out of 10. And then overall aesthetic of the sneaker, I mean, it's a Jordan 11. It's a perfect summertime sneaker because that's when people like to wear the low tops. It's a classic, iconic colorway. It's super clean. It's nice. I'm going to say it is an 8 out of 10 when it comes to overall aesthetic. Of course, the highs to me are a 10 out of 10. That's a perfect sneaker. But like I said, that mini Jumpman really just throws it off for me in the back, man. But y'all comment down below and let me know. I think retail is like $180, I think, for these things. Back in the day, I want to say it was like 160 or something like that. So a little bit of a price increase like everything else that's in this world. But hey, if you want the sneaker, go after them. I do think that they will eventually sell out, but I don't think they're going to sell out on the initial release date. But y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think. But y'all know what I'm saying, man. I appreciate you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack.